another short video on my YouTube channel, Awesome Adventures. The adventure that we've been working on for the last 3 months is building an earth dome. This can be used as off-grid living or camping or even a bomb shelter. The walls are 22 inches thick. We finally finished and the walls are over 7 feet tall. Since the last video, we finished the roof. We put in rafters and we put in cross furring so that we had something to attach the roof to. And we will put in ceiling panels, which isn't done yet. We've also chicken wired the inside, as you can see. And now we have started the stucco process. So we spent the last 2 days doing stucco, as you can see. We use La Habra stucco, and we've just been filling in the cracks. And then tomorrow we will add more chicken wire to the outside of this first round. And then we will do, hopefully, just the third coat with a color coat. You can see on the top, we have a slanted roof, and then we added drainage pipes so that if it does rain in the desert, the rain will flow freely off the roof and the roof will not leak. So this is our earth dome project. This is the second to the last video in the series. The next video and the last video will be of our finished project. Hopefully we will get all the stucco, all 3 coats, hopefully only 3 coats, done in the next 10 days.